Greetings HCC, Andrew McGrath here from your Brandon Academic Success Center, back with another how-to video. In this quick video, we'll be talking about how to get the right tutor for the right job. This is particularly important in STEM as not all math and science tutors can help with all math and science classes. So starting at our website here, you're going to look at the STEM schedule, so we'll give that a click, and then we're going to log in. To find the right tutor, you're going to look at the Limit To area here and give this a click. And then we have all of the classes that we can help in. So let's say that I am looking for help in Physics 1. All I have to do is click on Physics 1, and now these are all the tutors who can help with Physics 1. That way you are always assured that you're getting the right tutor for the right job. I hope you found that helpful, and please remember that it's the Limit To area. Give it a click and then find your class and make your appointment. Thanks everybody. Have a great day.